This is an easy way to learn Korean language as a beginner. The first step is to learn Hangul, which is a Korean alphabet. Hangul enables you to understand, read, listen, and write Korean perfectly. It's made up of 24 characters, 14 consonants, and 10 vowels.
바, 사, 자, 하.
The second step is vocabulary, 어휘, and grammar, 문법. This is the fastest way to improve your Korean language as a beginner. Learning so much vocabulary and understanding so many Korean grammar will take your Korean to the next level. It's not going to be easy memorizing vocabulary every day, every minute, but it will help your Korean to the next level. So learning so many vocabularies and grammar is the fastest way to improve your Korean language. There are beginners grammar and also advanced grammar, so you can start with the beginners grammar and make sure that you understand, you memorize, you practice, you put everything together step by step. The last step is practice yourself. This is the fastest way to improve your Korean language, and it determines how far your Korean will go. So if you study so many grammars and vocabularies, memorize them, and you're not practicing them every day, every moment, and making use of them, your Korean will go nowhere.